This Sunday, we have another IoT workshop for you in association with Etisalat. We'll be building a customizable web dashboard using the ThingWorks platform. Here's a quick preview of what that'll look like. ThingWorks allows for rich web interfaces that combine various ways to analyze and visualize data from the cloud. Chart, grid, map, and other widgets are mashed up for sleek interfaces with context-based navigability between mashups when you want to correlate data from different sources, say personnel departments to deliveries. Best of all, you require very little code to design these complex interfaces. Using ThingWorks Mashup Builder in the cloud interface, you can use pre-built widgets like gauges and maps and charts and construct elaborate bound data and service flows just by dragging and dropping. In this session, we'll show you how to create a customizable dashboard with separate functional gadgets that can be added on demand. In our interface, we can create tool groups based on utility and add gadgets from a custom library. In this fleet tracking example, we have separate gadgets for current location, speed and mileage, as well as for route and speed history. We add them all to our group. Once added, the gadgets can be reordered as we like. We can also create other functional groups, for example to separate current and historical data, and drag and drop our gadgets into the new group. Our gadgets display live data for multiple templatized items and switch contexts easily. With a single click, we can switch between views for different vehicles. The route history map gadget contains clustered locations that can be viewed full screen as well.